I didn't tell you this, but one of the rescuers is actually Feline's daughter's godmother. So I just thought you guys might want to know that. One of the rescuers is Feline's daughter's godmother. I am not going to say the name of the person, but one of the cave rescuers is Feline's daughter's godmother. And the cave rescuer was there when Blizzard got her first monthly visit. She had to go shopping with her, all that. And Feline was so excited. She even said, mark the date. So it's going to be an anniversary every year. So, and I'm thinking, Feline, oh, no, you didn't. Oh my goodness. Anyway, but yeah, just thought you might want to know that. And so far they are doing well. And let's leave a like on this video to let Feline know that we are with her as she moves forward. And all that good positive energy and all that very yummy pizza and ice cream. Thank you.